Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are exploring beautiful handcrafted button design ideas that can instantly enhance the look of any outfit. From delicate embroidery and sparkling beadwork to unique patterns and creative styles, these buttons are more than just accessories. They are tiny works of art, whether you are designing a dress, decorating a blouse, or adding a special touch to your handmade project. These stunning button ideas will inspire your creativity. But in the end, to discover elegant and trendy button design that can make your outfit look even more stylish and unique. If you enjoyed this idea, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fashion and embroidery inspiration. Take care of yourself. Bye.